have another Oklahoma proven, and this is a perennial, so that means it'll come back year after year. Now, it blooms pretty early. This is called Hellebores, or also commonly called Lenten rose, or sometimes known as Christmas rose, and that's because it can bloom anywhere from Christmas all the way into Easter. You can see it has, this particular one has beautiful blush colored flowers, but the flowers can vary anywhere from a green to a cream into purples and reds as well. There's also a few yellow varieties out there. More and more cultivars are being selected for having an upright flower to kind of show off a little bit more. But this is one that's going to bloom early in your garden before anything else is blooming. Now, prior to it blooming, you're going to have evergreen foliage that you're going to see in your garden through those winter months. And this is one low maintenance perennial that you want to add to your shade garden, because really the only maintenance that it requires is coming back through and cleaning out some of this dead foliage or the older foliage and just cleaning that up to give it a nicer appearance. This is going to have a lovely bouquet of flowers in the center here, and then once this is done, they're going to potentially seed even more plants for you throughout the season. Hellebore is a great perennial to add to any woodland or shade garden.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.